Don't we live in such an amazing city? It's modern, vibrant, safe, and full of great places to explore. But when was the last time you delved a little deeper and sought out some of Perth's hidden gems? Today, I am doing just that by linking up with Monique from Hidden Detours. These guys champion local small businesses and love to introduce guests to hidden venues and experiences they may not have known about before. On the menu today is Monique's Gin Walking Tour. We're meeting Monique at our first stop, Lot 20, a quaint industrial-style bar with a unique flair.
We've been focusing lately on food and beverage experiences, so uncovering a lot of hidden breweries, wineries, distilleries, and bars like here. And we love people, to encourage people to be curious, to seek adventure, to indulge, and to connect with friends, and also to learn something on our tours as well.
That's so exciting. What do you have in store for us today?
Well, today you're going to be experiencing our very popular gin walking tour. So you're going to be strolling through the city streets of Perth. We're going to be indulging in gin cocktails, gin flights, and grazing snacks in our favourite bars.
So we've got a tasty gin treat here. What am I looking at?
It's actually Lot 20's signature cocktail. It is the strawberry gin smash. They make this a lot in their gin cocktail classes.
I think I better give this a try then.
Yes, go for it.
Cheers to our gin tour today.
Cheers.
Our next location takes us into an old bank vault, home to one of Perth's trendiest bars, Foxtrot Unicorn. What an interesting venue you've brought me to, Monique. What can we expect to experience here?
So you're going to try 3 different types of gin. They're resplendent with gorgeous, lovely garnishes and also matched with tonics or soda, depending on what you would like. And today we have all local gins. So we have Old Youngs from Swan Valley, Haver from Bayswater, and we also have Moontide Distillery from Broome.
And what about these jaffles we have in front of us?
They are the epic cheese jaffle, 7 cheeses in them.
7
Yes.
cheeses. Oh my gosh.
Why not have a gin?
All right, get to it, hey?